Welcome to Sanderson James, your trusted real estate agency, where we make buying properties easier and more convenient through our online house auctions. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to participate in our online auctions. Let's get started. To get started, you need to create an account with Sanderson James. It's quick and easy. Simply click the link in the top right corner of our website and fill out the online form with your email address. Once registered, you'll have access to property listings, legal documents, site viewings, and support from our team. As part of our commitment to security, we require all bidders to undergo identity and anti-money laundering checks. This involves completing a short form and providing either your passport MRZ number or driving license number. Don't worry, the process is fast, and verification results are immediate. Plus, it won't affect your credit rating. Once you're fully authorized, you're ready to place your bid. Before bidding, make sure to insert details of your solicitor or conveyancer. This ensures a smooth exchange and completion process if you win the bid. We'll only contact your solicitor if you're the successful bidder. Additionally, you'll need to insert your payment details. If you win the bid, we'll charge you a buyer fee and a deposit contribution, which will be held in a secure client account as agent for the seller. The remainder of the deposit must be transferred by 12 p.m. the next business day, along with all signed documents. Confirm terms and submit your bid. Remember, responsible bidding is key. Only bid up to your limit, and ensure you have funds in place before placing your bid. If you're the successful bidder, you'll be legally obliged to pay the full amount of the purchase price. For traditional online auction properties, the exchange happens immediately at the end of the specified time period. You'll be legally bound to complete the purchase of the property. And there you have it. Participating in online house auctions with Sanderson James Real Estate Agency is straightforward and secure. Register, place your bid, and take the next step towards owning your dream home. Happy bidding!